Hey guys, today let's learn how to open two different WhatsApp accounts in one phone. So if you guys want to go ahead and open two different WhatsApp accounts on your device, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So if you guys want to go ahead and do this, what we can do in order for us to work around on this is to go ahead and download two different WhatsApp applications. So as you see, I do have two different WhatsApp applications here, and the first is WhatsApp Business and the second is the normal WhatsApp Messengers. So by downloading these two applications, it is going to be available under the Apple App Store, so you could go ahead and download that real quick, and you could go ahead and use two different accounts on here. First, we need to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp Business, and if you do have an account currently logged in on your main WhatsApp accounts, what we need to do on the WhatsApp Business is to log in to our different accounts. So as you see, it's going to prompt you to use your main account for WhatsApp Business, but you could actually use a different number and a different account as well. So as you see, all we need to do is to enter that different number, or if you do have a different account, go ahead and just tap on link this device to an existing account to proceed with using this application, which is WhatsApp Business, with that different account on your same device. And that's basically all for this video, guys. I hope you guys learned something. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.